We all have those annoying or even bad habits that eat away at our time, health, and peace of mind. It could be that extra slice of cake, the lingering cigarette, or the constant scroll that steals your focus. You may be surprised to learn research suggests that it only takes an average of 66 days to form a new habit. This means that replacing undesirable habits with positive ones can be achieved within a relatively short time frame with consistent effort. Committing to 66 days can change your life. Are you ready to make the change? If the answer is yes, let's get into the steps, and make sure to keep listening, and I will tell you later about the most important step. First, watch your patterns. Like a detective, track down the sneaky triggers that fuel your cravings. Is it boredom, stress, or simply the predictable steps of your daily routine? Meditate daily and look deep inside your mind for the switches that power on what you want to control. Understanding your habit is the first crack in its armor. Now, some good news. You can't control everything, but you can control your choices. You can't stop the craving for that brownie yet, but you can control whether you walk to the kitchen or pick up a book. Remember, focus on what's within your power. Can you control the weather? No, but you can choose to wear a raincoat. That's the Stoic way. Focus on what you can choose. So the next time the brownie beckons you, remember Epictetus's words. Focus on what you can control. Instead of autopilot to the kitchen, grab an apple and savor the moment. That, my friends, is the dichotomy of control in action. When the habit starts knocking at that door in your mind, don't just react. Pause, reflect, and ask questions. Is this serving me? Is this aligning with my goals? Use reason, your inner Stoic warrior, to choose a different path. As Epictetus said, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. But what about replacing the bad with the good? Instead of the sweets, grab a piece of fruit. Instead of a cigarette, take a walk. It's about building a new path, brick by mindful brick. The more consistently this is done, the faster the old bad habit gives way to the new good habit. Replacing bad habits with good ones is kind of like teaching a cat to use the toilet. Takes patience, consistency, and maybe a few strategically placed cucumber slices. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. The Stoics were all about facing challenges with grace and perseverance. Every day, every choice is a chance to build your inner strength. Keep going, even when it feels hard. Remember, setbacks are part of the journey. The Stoics called it amor fati, love of fate. Embrace the stumbles, learn, and keep going. If you find difficulty in the moment, imagine facing your biggest temptations beforehand. Visualize success and build mental resilience for those tough moments. As promised in the beginning, the most important step: don't dwell on past slip-ups or worry about future stumbles. Focus on the present moment, what is happening right here, right now. Thinking about the mistakes you could make in the future are almost a guarantee you will make them. Focusing on the past mistakes brings them to the present, as though you are living them now. Neither helps in putting down or replacing that bad habit. As Seneca said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. So, are you ready to break free from those pesky habits? Imagine mornings without the guilt of that extra snooze button, evenings free from the mindless scroll, and weekends devoted to what truly sparks your joy. This isn't just about quitting bad habits. It's about reclaiming your life, one mindful choice at a time. Tonight, pick one small step towards your goal. Maybe it's ditching the sugary cereal or replacing a smoke break with a walk. It's your first brick on the path to a life you design, not one dictated by your cravings. Remember, the future doesn't just happen, it's built. So, grab your metaphorical trowel and start building something remarkable. Thank you for joining us at Amor Fati Stoic Wisdom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Please check the pinned comment for ways to support us. Embrace your power to sculpt your destiny.